guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Keandrachick, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this bum ass wrap top inspired by Kimani Stevens. Of course, I will leave the link to her video in the description box. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, just go ahead and stay tuned. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button for me, sis. Give me a thumbs up at the end of this video if you love it. And without further ado, let's just jump into it. Okay, so first what I did was made a triangle for myself and I measured it to my boob. So that's what I'm doing here, and I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I was in the camera's way half the time and didn't even notice it, so yeah.
Oh, I hate this fabric. It's going crazy in the air and on my nose. Jesus. And I just got out the shower. I hope y'all can see. Y'all can't see a motherfucking thing.
Okay, so what you see me doing here is just cutting out the triangle and extending the straps that are going to be wrapped around my waist. So that's kind of the beginning of what you didn't see because I was in the way, but this is the ending part, and I'm just going to do the same thing for the second triangle.
So this is one.
Work. Lots of music. Plenty of music to choose from.
Now I'm gonna cut another one just like this.
Okay, and here I'm just gonna, as you heard me say, I'm just going to cut this one identical to the first one, like you see me doing now. And after I do this, I'm going to cut out my string. That will be what goes through the bralette, like through the casing of the bralette. So we will have to make casings on each bra.
I'm definitely probably gonna have to add more string onto it, but this is all I could get off my big fabric. So I'm definitely gonna extend both some more. Like these, so it can wrap around my waist or whatnot. But this is what we have so far. Okay, now I'm going to make my string, and then we're gonna go to the sewing machine. Well, I'm gonna make my extended pieces, and then we're gonna go to the sewing machine.
Alright, and as you heard me say, I did extend my bralette a little bit more, also making string to go through my casing. So that's all you see me doing here. Extending, cutting out 2 more extended pieces and also a string. So I'm cutting out 3 more pieces total.
So now I'm just pinning down this scrap piece right here, so it won't move while I'm trying to cut out this other piece. Now we're gonna cut.
And if y'all worrying about the lace at the back of my head, you in my business, don't do that, okay? I'm just playing. But y'all, I never cut out the lace on the back of my wigs when I'm wearing them, because sometimes I do sell them because I only wear them like once or twice. So when I do sell them, then they can cut it off. Alright, and now we have all our pieces cut out. I'm just going to attach my extended straps onto my bra. The bralette. So how I'm gonna do that is turn it right sides facing right sides and pin them together and sew a straight stitch right on top. Okay guys, so here I'm just going to sew a straight stitch across for my casing, and I'm using a popsicle stick as my guide because again this fabric was it wasn't easy to work with, and all the fuzzy was just in the way and I couldn't see, so I used the popsicle stick just to guide me on a straight line. And here I'm using my serger to make my string because I didn't want it I just wanted it to be a perfect string, I guess you could say. So yeah, the surgery is just gonna cut off all that extra stuff. And then after that, I'm gonna take my loop turner and turn our string inside out, which I've done plenty of times on my videos for you guys. But if you want me to go in depth, just let me know, and I definitely will do that for you, because it can be tricky depending on what type of fabric you're using. And when I say tricky, I mean like fabrics like denim, this type of fabric that I'm using now, those are more tricky using a loop turner, because it can get caught on the fuzz or get caught on distressed denim. Like, if you get what I'm saying, because the loop turner is a hook, so that hook can get caught on different things. But yeah, it just depends on what type of fabric you're using. But I'm just taking my loop turner and turning my string inside out, and this is the outcome. And I love this string so much. It's so fluffy and pretty. And after I do that, of course, our handy dandy safety pin is what gets us through our casing. So I'm just going to take my safety pin and pull my string through the casing, and our top will be finished. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, sis. Hit that bell so you're notified whenever I post. And don't be afraid to leave comments. Like, I love reading comments. But yeah, guys, I really love how this came out. This is the finished look. It's just so freaking bomb. Like, again, it was inspired by Kimani Stevenson. I will leave her video with a link to her video in the description box. But without further ado, I am Keandra Chick, and I'll see you guys next time.